Hello guys and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this pause animation effect in Premiere Pro. The first thing you want to do is to move your playhead to where you want this pause effect to begin. And at this position, what you want to do is to select this clip, right click and select Insert Frame Hold Segment. And this will automatically add a 5 seconds freeze frame over here. So if I go back from the beginning and hit play, you'll notice that the video begins to play. But when it gets to this portion, it freezes and then it continues to play afterward. The next thing you need to do is to drop this pause button green screen overlay into your timeline over here. Next, select this green screen layer over here, right click and hit set to frame size. And if I drag this now, you can see what we have is actually a play and pause button over here. Now to take out this green, simply go over to effects and search for the Ultra key and drag this Ultra key onto your green screen layer. Next, move over to effects control and under Ultra key, select this color picker over here and select the color which you want to pick out. For me, it's this green over here. And if I move back now and hit play, you can see what we have so far. And if you want to adjust the duration of the pause, all you need to do is to hold down Ctrl and move your cursor until this yellow arrow here shows. And now you can drag it to either increase or reduce the length. So now I'm going to move my cursor to the exact point where it changes to pause. And I'm going to move this video to start at this exact position. So if I go back now and hit play, you can see what we have created. Next, move your playhead to the position where it turns back to the play button, which is over here, and drag this other section of your video to come and align over there. So if I go back now and hit play, you'll notice that it pauses exactly where this video pauses, and it's going to play exactly where the video begins to play. The next thing I want to do is to add the pause text and the play text. So move over to your type tool over here and select your type tool, and move over to your program monitor over here and type the word pause. Now what I'm going to do is to create a blinking pause text effect. So I'm going to hit Alt and drag this clip a couple of times to duplicate it. Now I'm going to move to the position where this video turns back to begin to play, which is around here, and I'm going to change this text over here to play. And that's it guys on how to create this pause and play effect in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you guys in my next tutorial tomorrow.